Hey there, welcome back to my channel, it's me, the Mind Injector. Now, think for a moment. Have you ever considered ditching the 9 to 5 and diving into the thrilling world of real estate? I know, it's a curveball, but stick with me because in today's exploration, we're not just talking about real estate as a career. We're talking about a journey, a transformation, and the keys to unlock a life you've always dreamed of. So, you've been eyeing that real estate license, dreaming of open houses, shaking hands with excited homeowners, and maybe, just maybe, driving a fancy car with that sold sign in the rearview mirror. But here's the shocker. A career in real estate isn't just about transactions, it's about transformation. In this deep dive, we're not just talking about how to sell houses. We're talking about how real estate can sell you a life of financial freedom, self-discovery, and limitless possibilities. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. You're thinking about making the leap into real estate, and the first thing you need is a reality check on your finances. It's not just about selling homes, it's about managing your business expenses. Imagine this, you're not just an agent, you're the CEO of your own enterprise. Scary? Exciting? Well, both. So, sit down and let's have a real conversation about how to prepare for the financial roller coaster that is real estate. Sure, you've heard about the commissions rolling in, but here's the real deal. You need a runway before you can take off. License renewal fees, platform listing fees, marketing and advertising costs, fuel for those house hunting adventures, and let's not forget digital marketing expenses like your website and online ads. And did I mention that commissions usually come 4 to 6 months later? So, you've got to be the financial maestro conducting the symphony of your real estate career with precision. Now, let's talk about freedom. The freedom of being your own boss. It sounds like a dream, right? No more clocking in, no more reporting to someone else. But here's the reality check. With great freedom comes great responsibility. You're not just managing your time, you're managing your income. The days of that clockwork paycheck are gone. But guess what? You made this choice for a reason. Deep down, you believe that relying on a single income source is risky in today's world. And here's the twist. You're ready to take full responsibility for your economic well-being. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Letting go of your past identity. You might have spent a decade or more in the corporate world collecting job titles like badges of honor. But here's the truth. Your job title is not you. It doesn't reflect your warmth, your kindness, or your dedication to clients. And this is where the real estate journey gets interesting. It's not just about being your own boss. It's about assuming a new identity, the identity of service. You're no longer the one giving orders. You're the one taking feedback, learning, and growing. As a real estate agent, you're not just your own boss. You're in the service industry. It's a shift from giving instructions to being humble enough to take instructions from your prospects, clients, or even your real estate leader. It's about being open to learning, applying, and mastering the art of managing prospects and clients. And if you get this, if you truly embrace this shift, you're not just on the path to being a successful agent, you're on the road to becoming a competent and decent property expert. Let's not sugarcoat it. Making the switch to self-employment is not a walk in the park, it's a transformation. Shedding an old identity for a new one. And in this journey, a mentor becomes your guiding star. You'll face challenges, be outfoxed by competitors, and may be taken for a ride by clever prospects. But a mentor is your secret weapon, teaching you resilience, mastery, and the art of creating your own success story. Now, you might be thinking, is it too late for a career change? Well, let me tell you, a late career change might just be the golden ticket. Why? Because you're not starting from scratch. You bring transferable skills from your existing experience, sales marketing, PR, and communication. Combine that with a deep dive into real estate knowledge, and you're not just entering the game, you're taking the express route to the top. Ever heard the phrase, it's not what you know, it's who you know? Well, in real estate, your existing network is your secret weapon. A career change at 40, for example, means you've already cultivated a professional and personal network. Forget starting from zero. You're entering the industry with a Rolodex of contacts to draw upon. And in real estate, your network is not just your net worth, it's your launchpad to success. You feeling stuck in your current career? A career change at 40 or any age means you can apply a newfound momentum. Real estate encourages autonomy within your network. giving you the freedom to grow your own empire. Whether you dive into commercial property, urban development, or residential sales, you're not just following someone else's rulebook, you're writing your own success story. Manage your clients, control your salary growth, and tailor your work-life balance to your liking. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now let's get back to the video. Now here's the game changer: self-awareness. Unlike recent graduates, you're not in the exploration phase of life, you're in the know thyself stage. A late career change means you enter with a profound sense of self, knowing your priorities, life goals, and what truly matters to you. With this self-awareness, you're not just navigating a new career, you're pursuing your goals with a laser focus. But here's the real secret sauce. Entrepreneurship is not just about skills. It's a journey of building character, acquiring new skills, and realizing that your business is a reflection of your internal changes. Entrepreneurship, my friend, is the single greatest personal development path you can embark on. It's about embracing struggles, learning from failures, and taking action even when things are not 100% perfect. Now, here's a golden nugget for you. Act like a buyer. Whether you're the representative for the buyer or the seller, adopting the mindset of a buyer can open doors to real insights. Take a stroll around the property, but this time, put on the lens of a potential buyer. Consider what catches your eye, what might disappoint you, or what could spark excitement. By doing this, you're not just seeing a house, you are envisioning it through the eyes of someone about to call it home. Why does this matter? Well, it's the secret to understanding the nuances of a property. By anticipating the buyer's needs and concerns, you position yourself as a proactive problem solver. So, whether you're sealing the deal for the buyer or ensuring your seller's property shines, remember, acting like a buyer can be your strategic advantage in the world of real estate. So, here's the symphony of real estate. It's not just about selling houses, it's about selling a life. It's about financial freedom, self-discovery, and the thrill of entrepreneurship. This journey is not for the faint-hearted, but it's for those who are ready to embrace change, learn, and take action. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.